Hello, welcome to Dimple's and Arabian journey, sharing recipes every Sundays and Thursdays. So today's unique recipe out of the box is instant Rava Dosa along with the coconut chutney. Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon for all the further notification. As the name emphasizes instant, this crispy dosa is quick and easy, just needs 20 minutes. So let us now have a look onto the ingredient list. Salt as per your taste, but I have taken 2 tablespoons. Roughly chopped coriander leaves around 1 by 3 cup. 1 by 3 cup of curd or yogurt. 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns. 4 to 5 green chilies finely chopped. 2 tablespoons of cumin or zira. 2 teaspoons of chana dal. Suji, rava or semolina, fine quality one. 1 cup. Half cup of rice powder and water approx 750 to 850 ml have been used. And not to forget the curry leaves and some chopped ginger, which is the highlight of the dish. This is around ½ inch of ginger which has been finely chopped. So here I am adding around 1 cup of suji, semolina and popularly known as rava. This is a fine quality of suji. And now I am adding ½ cup of rice powder to this. Then goes the black peppercorn, whole black pepper, some chopped green chilies, cumin that is zira, and chana dal. Yogurt or curd, around 1 by 3 cup. This will act as a binding agent. And then I'm adding coriander leaves finely chopped. And 750 to 850 ml of water. So first I will dilute it with 750 ml of water. Not to forget that Rava dosa always needs a very liquid kind of consistency. So the mixture should be very liquidy. Now you can add ginger and curry leaves. And at last, you can add salt. Give it a good thorough mix. Combine it really good for good 2 to 3 minutes. Let it rest for more than 20 minutes. I have given approx 20 minutes. While our dosa batter rests for good 20 minutes, why not make some yummy delicious chutney to complement with it? Ingredients for the coconut chutney are fresh ginger, curry leaves, water, coconut, onion roughly chopped, 1 medium size, and 4 chilies, green chilies. In a blender, I'm just adding ½ cup of coconut. This is freshly grated coconut. You can also use the frozen one. Add the curry leaves and some chopped ginger. Now you can add the green chilies and a medium size of onion. Salt as per taste. And water around 1 by 4 cup. Blend all the ingredients into a pulse mode. And your restaurant style coconut chutney is ready in minutes. So our restaurant style coconut chutney is ready in minutes to complement the Rava dosa, but not to forget the tadka part. So let's start and prepare our tadka for the coconut chutney. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I've used pure coconut oil. To this I'm adding curry leaves mustard seed and cumin. Let it splutter. Now you can add the red chilies, urad dal and a pinch of hing, that is asafoetida. In order to get rid of the raw texture of the urad dal and the chilies, everything, let them splutter and cook for more than 2 to 3 minutes. Just mix them well and keep on mixing for next 1 to 2 minutes. The tadka is a very essential part of the coconut chutney. To this now I'm adding the coconut chutney which we have well prepared and give it a good mix for more than 2 minutes. Let them cook further so that we don't have any raw texture. All this took only 5 minutes for me and the coconut chutney with the tadka is ready within 5 to 7 minutes. So let's start with the Rava Dosa. If you could just see this rava, that is the suji, has been well settled down. So you need to mix it and bring them together again. So just keep on mixing for next 2 minutes and slowly and alternatively you can add on the water to make it more liquidy. Basically Rava dosa texture is very liquidy. So you need to keep on adding more. So in total I've just used 850 ml of water. Post resting minutes of 20 minutes, I've just added half cup of water. Please give a thorough mix before you pour the batter. Please do not fill in the holes. Just keep it as it is and just pour the batter unevenly. Post 2 minutes, you can just add some or sprinkle some oil to it so that it gives a crispy texture to it, to the Rava dosa, and comes out easily too. Within 2 to 3 minutes, our Rava dosa has turned crispy and delicious. Kindly repeat the same process. Just pour the batter, and if you could see the consistency also, it's quite liquidy, not very thick and not too runny. Our crispy dosa is ready. Hope you all enjoy watching this recipe today. Don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family. And stay connected to Dimple's and Arabian Journey for such amazing, quick and easy recipes out of the box. Thanks for watching.